you guys, it's your girl Ad and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're doing a unboxing and I have this nice big ass box here that was sent to me from ERINCONDREN.com. If you guys don't know ERIN CONDREN, I really would like to hook you guys up, okay? If you're into planning, if you like books and journals and anything stationery related that you can even get customized for the low, check out ERINCONDREN.com. Now, I've been recently into journaling and planning out my weeks and days so that I can stay more organized, especially when it comes to work and probably personal goals that I want to achieve. I'm going to be showing a little snippet here of ERIN CONDREN's website, just to give you an overall review kind of what they specialize in and the stuff that they have to offer. I really love them and I'm so glad that I found out about them. Links to all of the items that they sent me will be in the description bar, and these are affiliate links, so you guys, I do get a little bit of a commission if you guys use my link to make an order from them. I would greatly appreciate it if you did that, and if you sign up, I get points and stuff like that so that I can get discount for future orders that I may make from them. So just a little disclosure, if you don't want to use my link, that's fine, you know, like you know, I would love it, but you know. So yeah, so let's get into the unboxing. Yeah. Oh, fancy. I'm a sucker for packaging, and they did ship this to Jamaica. I know some of you guys have a concern, like my Jamaican subscribers. They do offer worldwide shipping, so that is something that you guys can look forward to. Guys, I am so excited you don't even understand. Okay, so this is what we have here. So I went ahead and I picked out, as I said, my new planner system for 2020. Now the planner that I have now, I'll insert a shot of it here. Like, it was so huge, like I really loved it and all of that, but to travel with it and to walk up and down with it was such an annoyance sometimes. So I decided to opt for their on-the-go Folio system planners this year. Now, as you can see, you get 4 sets, so it's 3 months each. So this is gonna be perfect for me. So this is the January to March version. We're gonna open them, and this is the October to December, and they're so freaking cute. July to September, April to June. Okay, so before we take a look at the other items that they sent me, I actually picked out these items. So I got some stickers, I got a folder to put all of these planners in, and I got a lunch kit and a few other items. So let's take a look at what this particular planner looks like outside of the packaging. My God, I wish you guys could feel this right now. Wow. I am such a sucker for anything cute and nicely arranged and just good quality. Look how petite this is, and I guess that's why they call it the Petite daily planners. So if we go ahead, oh my God guys, it smells so good. It reminds me of back to school when you would go shopping with your mom to get new books for school, and that new book smell. Can you guys smell it? Can you? Alright, so that's what the inside of it looks like, page 1, and this paper is really thick. So you have an overview of the month. So this is January. You have a little note section over here. Generally the paper is like of a creamy color. It's not like white, if you know what I mean. Like, I hope you guys can really see it. It's not fully white. Hold on, let me get like a regular white piece of paper to compare it to. Okay, back. So the nearest thing that I could find was an envelope. So this is a plain white standard envelope, and you guys can clearly see the difference in the paper. So if you don't like off-white, which to be honest I don't really dig off-white paper, but it will have to do. Paper is really thick though. Okay, so each day is on a separate page. You have check boxes here, so you can organize this however you want. Put stickers all over it, which you guys know is more my thing. If you want to do it probably morning, afternoon, and night, or if you want to do like categories of your life, personal, work, social, like however you guys want to organize your day and just kind of get the ball rolling to be more productive and organized, this is a pretty good way to do so. And every month has a different color theme, and I love that. Ooh, it comes with stickers, you guys. It comes with stickers. Looky, I am definitely gonna be making the best out of these. Nice. How adorable is that? And you have a little pocket right here to put it in. That's nice. And you have notes pages at the back. You don't get a lot. You just get basically, what was that, like two notes pages. So I guess it's the same for all of them. Let's just take a look at one. This is the April to June. Wow. I wish you guys could feel and smell this through the camera. Wow. So that's purple, like an orangey color, carrying you into green for June. And stickers. You get stickers as well. So I'm really going to enjoy this. I guess we don't really need to go through the others now, do we? Because I guess it's going to be basically the same. So let me show you the folder that these would actually go into. I think this over here is the folder. So if you wanted to carry like all 4 for the year, you could do that. So this comes in a little dust bag. And I am such a sucker for packaging. ERIN CONDREN, you did that. You freaking did that. Alright, so this gives you a general overview. Customize and personalize, and you can fit all of your Petite planners in this. So you guys can get a little view of the different types of Petite planners that they offer that fit inside of this little folder. So it comes with a elastic band. And yes, I didn't get my name on it. You have the option to customize almost everything that they offer you guys. So any type of book, journal, planner, you can get your name or whatever you want printed on it. And I think it's like for $3 more or something. Like, it's really affordable. So the gist is that you would slide the books, whichever book it is that you're using. So I guess let's start with my first one. You would open it to the middle and just kind of slide it into that. Don't be difficult. Bloody hell. Yes, something of the sort of this nature. So you would slide them each in, so you have your little folder. So how cute is this gonna be looking in my handbag, you guys? You guys! They also have like charms that you can put right here. I didn't get them. And they have like pockets that you could, adhesive pockets that you could like put on these so that you can stuff things inside. Like, it's offers so many options for personalization, and I just love that. I really love when I can customize items to make it my own. Next up, I did get one of their other Petite planners, and I'm not really gonna even pull this because honestly, oh well, I am. It's a pregnancy journal. Now don't get too excited. As of right now, January number 1, 2020, your girl is not pregnant, but just to give you an idea, they offer so many different types of journals that you can use to track different life goals or different things that may happen to you, whether you're pregnant, whether you're getting married, even if you're sick and you want to track your sickness journey. If you actually want to plan out a trip, they have a traveler's one, but yeah, they have many. I just wanted to show you guys an example. So I got the one that I would be most likely to use to its fullest extent, or to give as a gift to somebody. You never know if one of my friends may get pregnant. So it's a pregnancy journal which includes 42 weeks of planning spreads. Instead of reading that, let me just open it up so you can get an idea. And I think these were like $11 plus. There are so many different coupon codes that you can use. I'll link them below So you can get these things for the low. And it starts off by saying your pregnancy journal, and I guess you can put baby's due date right here, probably a picture of your ultrasound right there, and oh, let me show you guys name ideas, why it's a good name. This is so cute. So I guess you and your significant other can sit down, questions for your doctor, and you can jot it down. So each doctor's visit you can write down your question and what was the answer. So you have a section for that. What happened at the doctor's visit, what was your weight, what was the date of that doctor's visit, water intake, your belly size, what you're craving in that particular day or week. The baby is the size of a pea, the baby is the size of a blueberry. Oh my god, you guys, like I want to get pregnant right now just so I can use this. Like I love cute shit like this. But like, oh, and it comes with stickers. Oh my god, you get a sticker, you get a sticker. So this is so cute. Wow, how adorable. Like if you give somebody this as a gift, I'm sure they would appreciate it so much. Okay, so next up I did go ahead and I got a lunch kit. So ERIN CONDREN often has a lot of stuff like for teachers and secretaries and persons who do like a lot of administrative work. So you can get cute little notepads, sticky pads, all sorts of stuff customized with the person's name on there and stuff. So I got this lunch tote, and it seems it may have been printed upside down because my name is upside down. I'm gonna have to contact them about that, but the quality feels so amazing. It's like a padded, like a softy, foamy, yeah, that's the word. It's like foam. So it's a regular lunch tote. I lost my lunch kit, so I sometimes carry lunch to work. So this is another great gift that you could give somebody. Oh, so it zips up around here, and then it has the Velcro, and you can open it. Oh wow, how adorable is this, you guys? Oh, and I could choose, you get to choose the different patterns that you would want. I'll insert a screenshot right now of the different, they have like so many different patterns that you can choose from, and you put your little quote or your name on it for an additional cost if you want. So that's one. Next up, I did get these tabs because if you guys notice, the Petite planners do not come with the monthly tabs on them. So they have these in like colors, or they have them in black. I just chose the regular rose gold, and silver ones because I just wanted it to be really neutral. So basically it's just the tabs that you'd put on the side of your Petite planner, just so you can know which month to jump to instead of having to scroll through the entire book frantically wondering where is whichever month. I also got some stickers because your girl is addicted to stickers. So these are just some stickers that they offer to kind of spruce up your planner. Nothing too serious. So I got this one, and these two are sticker books, and I'm so excited. Let's say. Ooh. So it gives you an overview, so I guess you don't have to go through the entire book of what the stickers look like. I'll still flip through for you guys to see. So if you guys do planning and you don't use stickers right now, like, what is you doing? What is you really doing? Why aren't you using stickers? It really helps to motivate me and to have everything looking cute. Ooh, Jesus God. Do you guys see that? Oh my God, it's like gold. I hope the lighting isn't messing it up, but wow. I need to go and start planning right now so that I can use these stickers. OMG, you guys. I am a child at heart. I swear to God. I swear it. And this is another. These would make such good gifts. I swear, if somebody was to buy these for me as gifts, I would love you for life. Don't get me jewelry. You don't have to do all that. Just get me cute stickers and cute stationery, and we're good. Oh, guys, Do you see this? OMG. ERIN CONDREN. ERIN CONDREN, you did that. And you get a lot of stickers too. Wow. Wow. Nice little book format. Alright, so quickly, I also got this stencil because I'm trying to up my calligraphy, okay? So it's basically just a stencil that you put down and you kind of trace through the markings to get these nice ass calligraphy that you see going on right here. So got a freebie and it says it's my welcome package. Enjoy these gifts. Okay. Oh, it's like a label. So if you're giving somebody a gift, it's a sticker label. Just a little something from happy birthday with love to and from. So even stuff like this, they sell on their website that you can get customized for gift giving. So this is my unboxing of everything that I got from ERIN CONDREN. If you guys like the video, press the like button, share, subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be doing more organizational videos along with my regular beauty and fashion videos. And until next time, love you. Bye.